Not sure how you guys are familiar with the Toyota app that you can download it off from your phone. So I actually installed this app, and it's actually kind of neat. It tells you how much odometer your vehicle has gone, and so far since we got this truck about 2.5-3 weeks ago, it's already has about 557 miles, and it tells you the fuel gauge, how much distance has left until empty, and you also have the ability to do a remote connect. And this is actually kind of neat because I've tried this the other day, and I was very impressed. So I'm gonna try and demonstrate to you guys and see how this works. So right now, there's no one inside the truck. Okay, I'm gonna do a remote start. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna hit start, hold for a second, contacting the vehicle. There you go. That was pretty cool. So that was a remote start feature, and you don't even need to be in your truck to turn this on. So I think that was pretty cool. So it looks like it's on a timer. I've got about 9 minutes and 40 some odd seconds to stop it. I guess this would be very come in handy when you know, when you want to heat up the interior inside the truck, or maybe cool it off during the summertime. So I thought that was kind of neat. So I'm gonna stop it. All right, let's see. There it is, turned off. And also kind of keep in mind that the truck has to be in a locked position or status in order for you to get that remote start to even start. So they even have the lock option there remotely, and the unlock and the hazards. And not only you can do all that, you can actually do the view status. Let's see. Tells you if the doors are closed, rear windows closed, locked, passenger side, hood, moonroof. Scroll down, tells you where last parked, and drive pulse. I guess it kind of tracks down your driving habits. Very crazy about this drive pulse. So if I click on it, learn more. Okay, there's a disclosure in there, and it states that pulse score based on the behavior of the driver of your vehicle. So I guess they kind of rank it. If you score a scale of 0 to 100, 100 being the highest, you know, based on your acceleration behavior, braking, cornering behavior. So far, since this is my wife's car or truck, she's been scoring about 59, you know, over 100. So, you know, only has about 557 miles on it, I believe. Let me see, let me go back. Yep, 557. And you can actually opt out on this drive pulse if you don't want Toyota to kind of track everything down. See, there's this option here to opt out. So just wanted to show you guys this, and I just thought this app's kind of neat because of the feature that you have the ability to remote start using the app. It's also pretty crazy that it tells you where your past trip, where you've been, kind of tracks where your location was. And for example, yesterday, 2/22/22, drove around 5 miles for 15 minutes between 1:50 p.m. to 2:05 p.m. So it tracks down your location, guys. Just be aware. Toyota is watching. And I mean, other than that, it's actually a pretty neat feature that really come in handy. And I believe there is a cost. So right now there is a 1-year free trial that comes with it when you buy your new 4Runner or any Toyota. That comes with this package, I guess. So after that, it'll be a subscription. So you will start paying for it, and I have no intention to continue on with the subscription. So I'm just gonna let it, wind down until the whole year is completed. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys on this specific app for this 4Runner, and I thought it was a neat feature, a very, very neat feature. So